Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss: the secrets that men should keep hidden. Society often places expectations on men, but there are certain things that everyone can agree should remain confidential. In this video, we'll explore the importance of privacy and the boundaries men should set for themselves. So, let's dive right in. 1. Respecting boundaries. Respect for privacy is fundamental for building strong relationships. It's crucial for a man to determine what aspects of his life he wants to keep to himself, and communicate those boundaries to others. While honesty is important, discretion can be equally valuable. 2. Personal struggles. Everyone goes through personal struggles, and men are no exception. It's essential to have a support system, but it's also essential to recognize that certain battles are best fought privately. Sharing every detail isn't always necessary or beneficial. 3. Relationship matters. In a relationship, trust is crucial. However, there are certain matters that should be kept between partners. Maintaining a sense of individuality and preserving personal thoughts can help to foster a healthy balance and a sense of mystery within the relationship. 4. Professional image. When it comes to professional life, portraying a confident and competent image is important. Sharing certain personal matters, such as financial struggles or family issues, can affect one's reputation. Keeping certain aspects of personal life separate from professional life is essential for career growth. 5. Protecting loved ones. Men often feel a sense of responsibility towards their loved ones. In certain situations, it's essential to protect their privacy and well-being by keeping certain matters confidential. Holding on to secrets that ensure the safety and happiness of those we care about is a sign of love and protection. 6. Positive secrets. Not all secrets are negative or detrimental. In fact, certain surprises or acts of kindness can be kept as positive secrets. Planning a surprise gift or organizing an unforgettable event can bring joy and excitement to relationships. 7. Balancing act. The key is to find a balance between secrecy and transparency. Keeping certain aspects of life private is natural and necessary, but it's also important to communicate openly with those who matter the most. Finding that equilibrium is the key to maintaining healthy relationships and personal growth. And there you have it. It's important for men, just like anyone else, to understand the power of secrecy. What needs to be kept secret may vary for each individual. But respecting boundaries, protecting loved ones, and maintaining a sense of autonomy are all common reasons to embrace a certain level of privacy. Remember, finding the right balance is the key. So, embrace the power of secrets and use them wisely.